Hello, virtual math students and families. It's Mr. Lesage, and it's time for the 5th week recap. It's Sunday evening, and the reason you're seeing the graphic that's up on the screen today is this has been a big football weekend. First of all, we had, my wife and I had the opportunity to go to the UGA campus on Saturday, and along with our daughter, who is a student there, sit through the heat and watch most of the game in person, and we finally just got too hot and had to leave. But the good news is it's a win. It wasn't pretty, but it was a win, so that's really what's important. My other daughter, one of my other daughters, attends Central Michigan University, which is why I'm dressed the way I am. That's also the college I graduated from. And if you haven't seen or heard what happened in their game with Oklahoma State, I'm sure you can YouTube or go to ESPN and be able to see the final play of that game. It was pretty amazing, to say the least. But now for virtual math. This past week, we posted grades for middle school students for your interim progress reports. The grades that got posted were your actual grade, not the overall grade, but the actual grade. So if you were behind, that was taken into consideration and your grade would be a little bit lower. That's a progress report grade that doesn't go on your record, so you can get back on schedule and that grade will go right back up, and by the time report cards come out in another few weeks, you'll be fine. Ongoing, always try your very best to stay on schedule. We have a few people that are a little bit behind, and if you work a little bit each evening or a little bit on the weekends, you'll be able to catch up pretty quickly. Just know that each lesson, each full lesson, is about 3% of your course. So that'll give you an idea how much you have to do to get caught up. The other thing that I want to just repeat, and I've emailed a lot of you about this, if you have to review a quiz, or if you have to retake a quiz, if you have to retake a quiz, then you should review your previous quizzes before you do that. You need to take a look at what you missed and see if you can understand what you did and how you can get problems similar to those correct in the future. If you're not sure how to do that, then you have two options. You could email me or text me and see if I could help you, or you can come to one of our help sessions during the week. Just click the link that I send out on Monday morning and you can join the video help sessions that we have and get answers to your questions. This week we're going to do 3 help sessions. We're going to do Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You can see the times on the screen now, and I'm adjusting those times so that no matter which grade you're in and what your schedule is, hopefully one of those times you can link into our help session and get some help with whatever questions you're having. This past week I also started adding brain twister questions, I call them. These are just questions that make you think. They're problem-solving problems, and most students find them fun to try to solve. And when we have several students working on them at the same time, it's fun. You can talk to each other, or you can type chat messages back and forth and try to help each other figure out what the answer is. The fun comes from the challenge and from working with students all over the county to try to figure out the correct answers. So I hope you'll take advantage of that. Finally, for this week, my travel schedule. I'm going to be on the road a lot this week. I'm going to try to get to see a lot of you. My travel schedule for the week is going to include Sweet Apple, Barnwell, Vickery Mill, Cogburn Woods, Medlock Bridge, Wilson Creek, Shake Rag, Birmingham Falls, Dolphin, Hillside, Esther Jackson, Findlay Oaks, and maybe a couple of others. I'm still working out the final details. So I'll be sending out messages to all of those schools so that I can make sure that I'm coming to your school on a good day and I'm not coming there when you're testing or in tag or some other activity. I hope you all have a great week this coming week. I look forward to seeing how you're doing and seeing you in person and talking with you and chatting with you during the help sessions. This is Mr. Lesage signing off. Have a great week, everybody. Bye.